Hello and welcome to this video dedicated to your new best SEO friend, the Fasterize plugin. If you've just joined Edge SEO, this plugin is simply essential for tracking your deployments and testing your recommendations with a single click. You'll see it's simple, fast, and it's going to save you a ton of time. To start with the basics, download the plugin. As you can see on the screen, there is a link to download for Chrome and another to download for Firefox. Once it's installed, remember to pin it so it's always visible in your browser. For me, this step is already done. Of course, I use it every day. You've downloaded the plugin. Now let's see how it works. To start, we'll go through the different statuses offered by the Fasterize plugin together and the colors associated with these statuses. The first color you might encounter is gray. What does the gray color mean? It means that the site is not connected to Edge SEO. For example, the team I'm currently on is not connected to Edge SEO. Let's go back to the demo site. And as you can see here, the color has changed. Now it's orange. So orange means that the site is properly connected to IGCO, but the recommendations have not been deployed. To deploy the recommendations, you have a button here, Optimize Pages, which you can click. You'll see the plugin will change color. It went from orange to blue. The blue color indicates that the recommendations are deployed on the page, and you'll be able to test and view the recommendations you've made from the Edge Seed solution. Very important, we have a first concept here. The bypass Fasterize cache option is checked. This means the page is being served without the cache. It's very important to understand because when you want to test, make sure this box is always checked to avoid having a cached page. That is, when the page is cached, for example, if it has a cache duration of 1 or 2 days or even a week, your changes won't be applied until the cache is invalidated, until the cache expiration date is reached. So make sure to always check this box to test your recommendations immediately. We're going to uncheck it now just to show you another status, which is the green color when the page is cached. So here, as you can see, the plugin is green. And so when it's green, it means the page is being served from the cache. So as I was saying just before, when it's served from the cache, the Edge SEO optimizations may have been applied, but they might have been applied a day ago. And if you make any modifications or changes to your recommendations, you'll need to check this box to see them immediately, right away. So I'm going to check it again and refresh the page. Another button that you'll often use is this one, which lets you enable or disable the optimizations. For a very simple reason, let's say you want to see the page without your SEO recommendations applied. Only on your browser, I want to stress that you'll be able to click on Disable. And now, for example, my title tag is no longer active. So I see the page as it was originally without the SEO recommendations you've set up on Edge SEO. And very simply, when I want to reactivate them, I just click the button. And now I see the page with my SEO recommendations. And you can see the little emoji that appeared just above. The Fasterize plugin lets you quickly check the status of your pages, optimize, test your recommendations, enable or disable them, and bypass the cache independently. A simple and effective tool to make your daily use of Edge SEO easier. To go further, as always, you can find all the information in our Edge SEO documentation, and I'll see you very soon for a new challenge.